Phil Miller, former county attorney at Lake of the Woods, Koochiching and Benton Counties, has been cleared of all charges. This is from our news partner, Northern Light Region newspaper. A 2-week trial beginning November 27th, 2023, led to a quick not guilty verdict for a former Lake of the Woods County attorney, Philip Miller. Miller was initially charged in July 2021 after being informed that a then 15-year-old girl was accusing him of inappropriately touching her. Miller called law enforcement. He maintained his innocence from the outset. The state offered a plea bargain late last summer, which Miller rejected. Dakota County handled the complaint due to a conflict of interest. The prosecution was aware of the 7 different versions of the alleged victim told family members and investigators. No corroborating evidence was provided. The girl stated in her interview, quote, "I get in trouble a lot for lying." Her mother and sisters called her a habitual and a pathological liar. The girl's mother said in her interview with investigators, "She's the best liar I know. I've told her, and that scares me." Mr. Miller's attorney, Krista Groshek, brought forth 2 experts in his defense, as well as multiple other character witnesses before questioning Miller. Quote, "I had to go up there and defend myself, tell my story," stated Miller. Miller was questioned for approximately 4.5 hours. Following cross-examination from lead prosecuting attorney Paige Starkey and closing arguments from both the state and defense, the jury began deliberating shortly after 5 p.m. on Friday, December 8th. They returned with the verdict and just 2 hours later acquitting him of both charges. Tears from Miller, his children, and numerous jurors filled the courtroom. Miller's children thanked and hugged Ms. Groshek, thanking her for proving their father's innocence after almost 3 years of faith lost in the system. "It was an easy case for me because I knew your dad was innocent," affirmed Groshek. Multiple hugs and handshakes from the jurors to Miller's and his family indicate a repudiation of the state's case. The jury was made up of 9 women and 3 men from the area. Miller retired as the Benton County attorney at the end of his term in January 2023, following the recommendations of his cardiologist after a quadruple bypass just days before Christmas in 2020. He was initially appointed to the position in 2013, elected to it in 2014, and reelected in 2018. Prior to working in Benton County, Miller served as county attorney in Koochiching and Lake of the Woods counties. His time in the 3 counties amounted to the majority of his 34.5 years working in the court system. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for the Northern Light Region newspaper.